Bean Beauties. Thank you for joining me. DeeDeeBean here. How are y'all doing? All right, we're here to unbox a eBay find. It's already open a little bit. So it is, it's red. It's red. How can I deny that red's my power color? It is a red satchel. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It smells like leather. Let me try to get something to stuff it because it's all limpy. Okay, I'm back. Alrighty, so I probably should have showed you around the bag first before I stuffed it, but it's hard to do anything with it when it's not stuffed. I have a satchel already that y'all have not seen that I need to show y'all, but it's one that I'll use for the fall. And so that's kind of when I wanted to show y'all that one. Cami from Cami's Closet bought herself a red one. This is not the exact one, but it looks so good. And I can tell this is a little bit different red than that one is. Well, it's hard to tell over video, you know, it's hard to tell over there. Okay, so I bought this on eBay, so let me give you that price first. I know y'all like to know that, and I know I like to give y'all that, because it makes me feel good that I got it on sale. I know, I'm sorry. So they wanted $120 for it. Then they sent me a offer because if you want a pro tip, if you go through eBay does it. The resale shops does it. Mercari, Poshmark. Let's see. I'm trying to think where else I shopped that does it. So if you go through and like it, and even on Etsy, because I've bought some items. I bought items on Etsy, and even Etsy does it. If you put your choices and your likes in there, that probably 95% of the time the sellers will send you a offer. Sometimes it's 10% off. Sometimes it's like, you know, $2 or $3 off, but they'll send you an offer to entice you, you know, and you can still, some of them still will allow you to make offers as well. So they had sent me, I don't know, like an offer for like $10 off or something. And it sat there for a while, and I just kind of looked at it, and I had sent the seller and asked them if they would be willing to take it for $90. If they took $90, I would go ahead and take the bag. And she sent back, or whoever the seller was, sent back saying that they had sent it out to 8 other people. If it expired, that they would go ahead and take the $90 and sell it to me for $90. So the offer expired. So I went ahead and waited, and I emailed the seller and said that if they would still be willing to take the $90 that I had offered. I think it probably took a couple of days, and when they responded, they apologized, said that they had gotten busy and that they didn't even realize that the offer had expired. That they had planned on sending me a yes to my offer. Because when they accept your offer, then it puts it in your card, and it gives you a notice, and it does the invoice and everything. So they went ahead, and she asked me to resubmit the $90 offer, and she would accept it. So I did, submitted an offer for $90, and she accepted it and purchased it, and there you go. So then the shipping was like $11.70, and the tax was $8.39, so a total of $110. So this is a Saffiano leather, and so for $110, I mean, that you can catch the sales on those on Dooney and I Love Dooney sometimes. These are mainly on the Dooney.com, but they don't always have the colors that you want because they only put certain colors on sale. And I wanted a red. I like red. I wanted red, and red catches my eye. And I saw Cami with it, and I was like, yes, I definitely want a red. I want a red. So this isn't exactly like the one that the Cami bought that I think. I have to go back and watch the video. But this has the, I forgot what the stitching's called on it. And I don't know how I feel about that. I sometimes like it, and I sometimes don't. It depends on, I guess, on the bag. I didn't know that it had it on here because I'm looking at the picture right now. Let me see. And the pictures, the way they laid it down, they had the way they had it, because they had it laying like this, and so the picture was from up above, and so you only saw this part of the handle. Did it delivery? Okay, so what was I telling you? I think I talked about Cami. Oh, the stitching. Thank you. Thank y'all for telling me. I felt it. Is the stitching, because so the way it laid down, all I saw was this part of it, and they had put on their contrast stitching down in the description box, but you know, I thought like here the stitching's a different color, because you know Dooney will do that, like the white stitching, so that's what I thought they were talking about, because this is called something specific, and so I don't know if I would have purchased it had I seen it. Now that I have it, I'm going to use it, but it matches, because this is the green, but I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's fine. I love the bag. So let me just give you a tour around the bag. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Somebody's thirsty. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And here's the bottom. And she does have the leather straps that continues through, and then it has the four feet. And then she has here the strap, which is an adjustable strap and a removable. So you know how much I like that. It's an adjustable and a removable. Adjustable because not everybody, it's not one size fits all on purses, crossbody purses, and removable because there's still some of us who are a little bit larger, whether you're larger like me or taller, that need to be able to add an extension to it. On the sides here, it has these beautiful tassels, and they have them on both sides. So I think I'm gonna buy some of those. They're little, I think they're makeup, they're brushes for the brushes, that nets that you put on the brushes to keep them, you know, straight. So I think if I can do that. I saw somebody put a rubber band around it, which I might do that in the interim, but the rubber bands can also leave an indentation, and I don't want to do that. It has it on both sides, and it has these great gold brass buckles here, and the details here. It has these wonderful little buttons that are always hard, but luckily I don't have to adjust those. And then now we'll go look on the inside, and of course I have to unstuff it again. Don't let this go too far. Okay. It has that great green suede lining there, and oops. Now I don't buy anything anymore unless it does have the Dooney label here. And then, yeah, and right here is a Dooney label here, right there. So I don't buy anything anymore unless I see the Dooney label. That's just my rule. And here's the thing about these is that the back pockets you can't see. It's hard to see inside. So there is, here, let me do this. Give you a look through. And that's the only thing is that with these, the entrance hole is small. The cave of the neck of the cave, the neck of the bag is small. So back here is a zipper, a slide pocket right under the zipper, a slip pocket rather, under the zipper, and then on the front of the bag you have two pockets. One that has like a little buckle over it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sure you can't see it at all. But it has the key keeper here. And this key keeper has the red on it. I love when they coordinate the key keepers to the bag, the color of the bag you're carrying. That's the best. It's really soft and supple. It's dirty. She is dirty. You saw she came right out of the box. So I need to just clean her off a little bit. Let's see, does she have... She shows some signs of wear, which is probably why they're willing to take the $90. And yeah, here she has corner wear here, and I knew that. I saw that. Has corner wear there, and corner wear here, corner wear there, and corner wear there. So it has them on all four corners. And this right here, I did see this too, where it has the, what is this called? The trim. It's coming out just ever so little right there. And that was disclosed as well too. And I thought I would give it with my friend Jackie or my friend Winnie and ask them if they had a trick to be able to fix that. I'm able to push it back in. I need to find me a good leathers person and see if they can just do something there that's not going to cost an arm and a leg. But if nothing else, I can get some use out of it before it completely falls apart, and I didn't have to pay a whole lot of money for it, and I'll be happy with that. So here, let's stuff her back up now that she's unboxed, because she just looks so pretty. I like it. I love it. So this is probably one of the ones, oh, and I don't think I told you, she does have a little bit of staining on the inside. Not like a whole bunch, but I can either put, it won't bother me because nobody can see it. And I can't really, won't be able to see it once I put my, I usually put everything in little pockets. But I also have a, which I might do that with this one, since it's a little slouchy, is get a organizer. And I have one, it's in the bedroom. And it should fit in here, so I can put an organizer in there. I was trying to get that smile. I probably overstuffed it so you can get the smile, you know, that Dooney smile. There it goes. Is it smiling like me? All right. Well, thank you for joining me today. Let me know if you liked my newest acquisition. I think she's a good one. I think I got a good deal. You know, she's a little worse for wear, but you know what? So am I. Saved another one from the dumpster. I'm happy about that. Thank y'all very much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.